Assalamu alaikum, this is Doris. I hope you guys are doing good. Today I am going to discuss about polygon. I thought it would help because students get confused about different types of questions from polygon, like what is the sum of interior angles of a pentagon or how many triangles formed in a decagon. So I wanted to share about it. Okay, let's start. Polygon. What is polygon? Basically, polygon is a plane figure with at least three straight sides and angles, and typically five or more. I mean, at least you need three sides with angles. If you have only one straight sides or two straight sides, it cannot be a polygon. Like suppose one straight line, it cannot be a polygon. Minimum, you have to have three straight sides. Okay. Now come to the chart. Well, in this chart, our first column is polygon name. I think already you know about polygon name, right? Square, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, decagon. So I don't need to tell you. I think already you know it. Our second chart is number of sides. Suppose in a triangle, how many sides are there? Three sides are there, right? So in a square, how many sides are there? Four sides are there. So here is the number of sides are there. Okay. Number third column is number of triangles formed. It's pretty important. Like in a triangle, how many triangles formed? Definitely one. But in a square, how many triangles formed? Two triangles formed. But how? I'm going to show. Wait. See, here. If you draw a line between two vertices, two triangles formed, 1 and 2. In a square, if you draw a line between two vertices or corner, two triangles formed. But in a pentagon, if you draw two lines, so three triangles formed, 1, 2, 3. So like this way, you can easily know how many triangles are formed. Now, number 4 column. Here is sum of all angles in the polygon in degrees. Sum of all angles in the polygon. For example, like in a square. In a square, how many sides are there? 4 sides. And in a square, how many angles are there? 4 angles are there. So the summation of 4 angles are 360 degree. How? How did you get it? Here is a formula. N minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. So now maybe one question arises in your mind that what is N here? What is N? Here N is equals to sides. Here N is equals to sides. So like for a square, how many sides are there? 4. So 4 minus 2 equals to 2. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. 2 into 180 degree equals to 360 degree. 2 into 180 degree equals to 360 degree. In this way, you can solve it. Later on, we'll see some questions. Wait. The last column is how many degree is each angle in the polygon. Suppose in a square, summation of all angles are 360 degree. But what is the value of each angle? 90 degree. How did you get it? Okay, here is another formula. N minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the same almost. N minus 2 into 180 degree divided by N. N minus 2 into 180 degree divided by N. Well, like for a square. Okay. Every time I'm giving example about a square because so the thing is it's easy to get, or like you can imagine easily. Even the monitor is square. No, it's big rectangle, but it's fine. Everything is square, and square is a very common shape. That's why I'm showing example about square. Okay, come to the point. So here our formula is N minus 2 into 180 degree divided by N. So for a square, n equals to 4. N equals to 4 because n for sides, right? So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. 2 into 180 degree equals to 360 degree. I think you can use calculator for multiplication, or manually you can do if you're smart enough. Okay, so 4 minus 2 equals to 2. 2 into 180 degree equals to 360 degree. So 360 degree divided by n. Here n equals to 4. So 360 degree divided by 4 equals to what? 90 degree. Okay, so this type of example I'm going to show. Okay, our first example is, how many degrees do the angles of each triangle add to? Listen, the sentence is different, but the question is very easy. Like here, they're asking how many degrees do the angles of each triangle add to. Actually, the question is, what will be the summation? Here is add, right? Add means addition or summation. So what will be the summation or addition of what? Of the angles of triangle. So we know the formula already. Let's see. Here is the formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. And for triangle, how many sides are there? Here n will be 3. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 1 into 180 degree. So here n equals to 3. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 1 into 180 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay, this is very easy. So number 2. Write an equation to find the sum of interior angles for a polygon with n sides. Basically, it's asking for the whole formula. Write an equation to find the sum of the interior angles for a polygon with n sides. So the answer will be n minus 2 definitely into 180 degree. Basically, it's asking for n sides. So if the question asks for like write an equation to find the sum of interior angles for a polygon with d sides or p sides, then you have to write the equation like this: p minus 2 into 180 degree. Basically, you have to like put the sides before. So that's why the equation will be either p minus 2, a minus 2, d minus 2, whatever this the question is. So you have to put it like this: n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, number 3 question. Third question is, how many degrees in the angle of a 13 gun? Here n equals to 13. So we know the formula already: n minus 2 into 180 degree. So 13 minus 2 equals to 11. 11 into 180 degree equals to 1980 degree. Again, I'm telling you can use calculator, or if you're smart enough, then you can do it manually. Number 4 and the last question. Okay, number 4 is, number 4, how many degrees are in each angle of a regular 13 gun? So we know the formula, right? N minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n. So here 13 gun. So n equals to 13. 13 minus 2 equals to 11. 11 into 180 degree equals to 1980. 1980 degree divided by 13 equals to 152.3 degree. And the another question is, how many degrees in the angles of a 23 gun? So here n equals to 23. One thing I want to mention, you have to understand the question. Here they are asking for each angle. They are asking for each angle. That's why you divide by n. But if they're asking for angles, only angles, then you have to just found the summation. Don't divide with n. Okay. Then you have to just put the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. You don't need to divide by n. Okay. N equals to 23. So 23 minus 2 equals to definitely 21. and 21 into 180 degree equals to 3780 degree, right? Okay, so I think that's enough for today. You can practice like this, and if you're practicing at home, this will be very good for you in your exam hall. If you don't have that much time, so that time you can work easily. I mean, you can answer these questions easily, you don't need to think too much. And if you practice more, so this way you can be smart enough to answer this question, so this way you can be faster. So I think you should practice at home, right? So inshallah, see you soon. Take care. Bye.